So recently on my channel, we announced our brand new advanced Spring Boot backend development cohort. This video is kind of like a final call if you have not yet enrolled in the cohort and you are actually willing to learn Spring Boot from absolute beginner to the advanced level. In this brand new course, we have added so much interesting topics that are going to ensure that if you're somebody who just have knowledge around any programming language and want to get started with backend development and specifically with Spring Boot, then this is going to be a one-stop solution for you. You will find a lot of tutorials around Spring Boot and let's say development with Java, but none of them actually talks about deep internals of this tech stack. For example, you will very easily find people actually setting up a Spring Boot project, but very less people are going to actually talk about why do you need a build system to actually complete the project? Why are you integrating something like Maven, Gradle, Bazel and whatnot? So we are going to go in this deep level concepts. We are going to understand when you write a specific type of a code in Spring Boot, why you are actually writing, what will be some other cases in which you are going to write a similar type of code. We are going to see what all different design patterns are actually necessary for you to understand backend development with Spring Boot. Also, in any backend development journey, the biggest and the most important part is the concepts around databases. We are going to take database concepts very seriously. We are going to go very deep in the database concepts. We are going to understand how you can scale databases altogether. What are the different situations and what are the different techniques that you can actually apply in databases to get you through in different scalable scenarios. We are going to talk about topics like change data capture. We are going to see patterns like Outbox pattern, CQRS pattern and whatnot. This complete course has been designed to ensure just one single thing, that if you're somebody who is willing to learn, who is passionate to learn backend development, and even if you are at the very beginner level, we will take you from the beginner level to the advanced level altogether. There are so many interesting projects that we have included, and every single project is going to ensure that we try to tackle at least 1 to 2 important engineering problems. For example, there are a lot of systems which are transactional in nature, or let's say if you have a lot of booking related systems, what are different challenges that can come in a booking system? How can you solve it? Challenges around concurrency, challenges around idempotency, how you will actually implement the code to solve all of these things, right? For example, we are going to talk about different locking mechanisms, that what is pessimistic lock, what is optimistic lock, what is distributed locking, how all three compare with each other, and so much more. We have ensured that every single project that we are going to cover in the cohort is going to make sure that it shines out in your resume, it shines out in your portfolio, and makes you a better software engineer in the world of Spring Boot. Everything that we are going to talk about, all the patterns that we are going to talk about are absolutely end-to-end industry relevant. You can actually do one thing. You can even cross-verify that how exactly in an actual startup or in an actual company, how exactly a Spring Boot project is managed, and then you can actually map what we are actually going to do. We are having so many advanced projects, including the Uber project, in which we are going to try to identify that how exactly different problems in Uber-like systems actually work. For example, how can you find nearby drivers? What is GeoHashing? How exactly GeoHashing is compared with quad tree based solutions and whatnot. So you can go through the complete syllabus end to end. I have made a dedicated video around the complete syllabus walkthrough. You can go through that. This is going to be a live course, so there will be some expectations from you that you are going to come to attend the live classes and you are going to actually ensure that you are asking your questions. So for any kind of questions and doubt discussions, we have a dedicated Discord platform where you will be joined and you will be having the community access. We are going to ensure that this is going to be one hell of a ride. All the details, everything is given in the description section below. Do check that out. If you want any clarity on the syllabus, we have made a dedicated video on the syllabus as well. Do check that out. In our last cohort, we ensured that whatever topics we are covering them in as in-depth as possible. And this time, we have also added a lot of new interesting topics, all of those which we were not able to cover in the last cohort, but few students were requesting. We have ensured that this time we definitely add those. So do check it out. I am really excited to start the cohort with all of you guys. So see you guys in the first class, and that's it for this particular video. Do check out Algocamp for other courses around system design, advanced backend development with Node.js and whatnot. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I'm Sanket Singh, signing off.